Okay. Hello everyone. Today is my day 11 of my C++ DSA journey, and so far I have completed 10 streams on my new channel. And today, what we will revisit few array-based. Sorry, we will revisit few old solved LeetCode problems. After that, what we will do, we will we will be trying some new LeetCode problems based on arrays. So the first update is that I have completed 10-day streams on YouTube. Today is my day 11. Let me show you. You can see here day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10. And today is the 11th day that is going on right now. Here is live now. So what we will do first, we will and yeah, after the yesterday stream, I opened my LeetCode account and I saw that my LeetCode ranking has improved a little bit also from yesterday. When we solved this problem yesterday, my ranking got a little upper after that. So today what we will do, we will first we will first revisit the problem that was find pivot index. So for the second time, okay, we will revisit it for the second time because the dry run was a little bit confusing and was getting messy at the first. And so yeah, first we will revisit this problem, find pivot index. After that, I think you guys know on what problem I will be revisiting. Okay, let's open this and remove all this from here. Okay, is someone watching the stream? I think some people have joined the stream. If someone is watching the stream, please to like the stream, brother, and subscribe to the channel. It motivates me to create more videos like this. So, okay, leave it behind now. Let me first explain this problem. What is this problem saying? Find pivot index means given an array of integer nums, calculate the pivot index of this array. What the problem is saying, the pivot index is the index where sum of all the numbers strictly to the left of the index is equal to the sum of all the numbers strictly to the right. Okay. Return the leftmost pivot index. If no such index exists, return -1. So here is the example given. If see here, we have to check if left sum is equals to nine sum. Sorry, if left sum is equals to right sum, then we will have to return the value that is in between them. Like in this case, if we add up these two values, these three values, it adds up to 11. And here we add these two values, that is the rightmost values, it will be equals to 11. When these both will be equal, we will be returning this value that is in the middle of the, sorry, we will be returning this index that will be on the, that is on the third index number in this array. So it is the middle value that we are calling pivot as pivot index. So first what we will do, first we will First, we will create a variable named total sum. So it will calculate the total sum of all the array values. Okay, so is equals to total sum plus equals to num. Okay, so it will add every value of nums into total sum, and it will be equals to, if this was the case, it will be equals to 28. In this case, it will be equals to 28. After that, we will create a integer left sum. I will explain it afterwards when I will write the code. For right now, I am explaining it in a rough way. Okay, and left sum is equals to 0. And after that, we will run a for loop. Okay, what we can do here, we can run a for each loop here also, if it allows. Okay, here what we will do, we will create a integer right sum. So here, see, we created left sum to calculate the sum of left index values, leftmost. After that, we created another integer variable which will calculate the rightmost index values. Okay, so integer's right sum is equals to total sum minus left sum minus nums sorry num index. Okay, after that, what we will do, we will check a condition that if left sum is equals to right sum. If this is true, what will happen? We will return. Okay. We will have to. We can use for loop here. It will be same for integer I equals to 0, I less than nums dot size I plus plus. So that we will have to name it nums I. Okay, you can use this thing to format the code, like it arranges it removes the unnecessary spaces and fix the positions of code, like if like this here. This is unnecessary spacing between these. So if you do it, then it will auto arrange these positions. And what after that? Okay, we have written I. After that, if this is not true, what will happen? If this is not true, okay, if this is not true, we will increase the lefts. We will add the current index value in the left sum. And if left sum is not equals to right sum, what we will do in that case, we will return -1. In that case, if there is no pivot index found, return -1. Sorry, if we try to run this code, you see it is accepted now. Why use -1? So in case if there is no pivot, if left sum is not equals to right sum, then it will return -1 in the output. It is used because if we not use it, the compiler will give error in that case. So that's why we use that in the else case. If 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 case is not true, okay. And if case is not true, we will increase left sum and we will add the current nums I index value in the left sum. So how this code is working? First we calculated the total sum. The total sum was equals to 28 in this case. After that, we initialize left sum with 0. Means there is in the starting it is the left sum is equals to 0. Okay. After that, we ran a for loop. Inside that, we go from the first index to the very last index. And after that, we initialize the right sum is equals to total sum minus left sum minus I. In the first iteration, what will happen? In right sum will be equals to total sum minus left sum minus I, means total sum is 28 minus left sum is 0. 28 minus 0 minus nums I index value, that is the one in the first iteration. So it will be equals to 27 in this case. Okay. After that, it will check if left sum is equals to right sum. So it will not be equals to right sum. So left sum will increase and left sum will become 1. After that, okay, well, left sum will become 1. After that, I will be on its second iteration and it will be on the first index, that is 7. That value is 7, and right sum will be again calculated like total sum minus left sum is 1 in this case. Total sum minus 1 minus current index value of 5, that is 7. So it will be equals to 28 minus 8, and it will be equals to 20. Okay. After that, it will check if 1 is equals to 20, but in this case 1 is not equals to 20, so it will not return the pivot index. After that, left sum will be increased again, and left sum will now become 8 after adding the current index value of num_i. Okay. So after that, I will be on its third iteration, means it will be on its second index, that is 3 in this case. After that, right sum will be recalculated after when iteration is happening, and in right sum will be equals to total sum minus left sum minus current index value of num_i. So means 28 minus 8 minus 3. So 28 minus 8 will be equal to 20 minus 3 will be equals to 17. And we will again check if left sum is equals to right sum, but in this case 17 is not equals to 8, so it will not return the pivot index again, and the left sum will be increased again, and we will add 3 in left sum, and it will now become 11. Okay. So now see, I will be now on its fourth iteration, means I will be on its third index, that is 6 in this case, and what will happen? Right sum will be recalculated again, and here right sum will now be equals to total sum is equals to 28 minus left sum, that is 11, and then current index value of nums_i, that is 6. So 11 plus 6, if we calculate, it will be equals to 17, and when we subtract 17 from total sum, it will be equals to 11. So see, here it is 11, left sum is 11, and right sum has become 11. Okay, so now this is true, and left sum is equals to right sum, and we are currently on this index, and it will return a pivot index as 3, because I is on its fourth iteration and I is on its third index. Okay, so this was all the dry run that we did in this case. Let me show you, if we remove this line, what will happen. The compiler will give error in this case. See, compile error, because it says line 23 have error, non-void function does not return a variable in all control paths. Okay, so that's why it generated an error. So we will keep it as it is, and now we will submit it. And before submitting it, I will tell you the time complexity of this. The time complexity of this will be equals to big of n, because there are not only there is not any we didn't use any nested for loops here. We only use single for loops here. Okay. So we will submit it. Okay, it beats 100% in runtime and 79.353% in memory. Okay, if I check it, okay, that code can be more optimized, but for now, I will be keep it as this. Now, what we will do? First, let me add this also. Like it's at this time, I usually don't eat. I don't do evening lunch, but from a past few days, like from the ninth stream, sorry, day 9 streams, I am stuck in the matters. So matters are still going on, and today it has confirmed that matter has cooled down a little bit. So I am a little free today, and yeah, I have also completed the 10 streams so far, and today I think it will be a long stream, but I think not so long, but we will see how the flow will go. So let me have it. Let's start a poll. Git showing an error. Okay, it's working now. Let's see if I select yes. Okay, it updates after. When I have voted, why it's not counted here? Okay, let me restart the poll. Okay, it shows the result after ending the poll. Okay. I will eat a little, and after and in between, I will be revisiting and solving the problems. Okay. So now we will revisit this problem, that is valid mountain error. Mhm. Okay. Okay. What is valid mountain array? Given an array of integers, array return true if and only if it is the mountain array, valid mountain array. Okay. we have to return true if and only if it is a valid mountain array like this. What how we can check if we mountain array or not? We can check if it's a mountain array like this if it starts from a value and every value till the peak increases and not have a have a what not have ups and downs like this will means it starts from a value and goes straight like increasing till the peak, and after the peak what should happen, it should happen that after the peak every value should be less than the value before it. Okay, here see, you can see 0 2 3 4. Okay, after that 5, it is the peak index. After that it is decreasing, and in this case see it has increasing but not strictly, not a mountain array, because it is not increasing strictly. It means it should till the peak it should increase like this, like it should be in a continuous increasing manner, not like this that both here the line is a little flat for a time, after that it is again going up and again this. We need a valid mountain like this. Okay, like this shape, like a mountain. I think you guys have seen mountains. So here is bool type where data type is used. So what we will do first, we will check. Okay, we will use a while loop. While, okay, 1 minute. Okay, let's write while what? Okay, we will initialize the integer n. Sorry, integer I is equals to 1. So we can compare. While what is the first condition? What will be the first condition? While I plus sorry while I plus 1 is less than num dot size. Okay, means while I plus 1 is less than the less is sorry while I plus 1 is less than the, means it traverses the whole array and we're not going after that. Okay, so while I plus 1 is less than num size and we'll check if I plus 1 is more than current index value of I, that is means is more than I. I think something is wrong here. Okay, num I think there should be a for loop. Okay, so what we will do, we will create a for loop also here. For integer I is equals to 1, so we can traverse I less than nums dot size I plus plus, and we will put this inside this. Okay, fix. After that, while this is true, okay, so it will, if this, okay, what it will do if it's while this is true, we will increase the, sorry, we will increase the index. Okay, till the peak. After that, we will check if till the peak if nums if I is equals to if I is equals to nums dot size minus 1, or if it is okay, or if I is equals to if I is equals to nums 0 index, then in this case we have to return false, because then it will not be a valid mountain array. Why we use this condition? We use this condition so that we can check if the values, like the peak value here, is present at the starting or not. Because if it's present at the starting, the line will become like this, and if it will at the end point, line will be like this, and it will not be a mountain array. See, like this, it will be a straight line. After that, it will drop like this, and if 5 is on this first index, it will be again a straight line and like this, so it will not be a valley mountain array. After that, we will also check that if array dot size is less than 3, so we have to return false in this case also, because, and here also we have to return false. Why use false here? Because we need minimum 3 values so that we can compare, so that it can form a valid mountain array. We need the minimum 3 values so that there can be a starting, there can be a peak, and there can be a descent. Descent means that decreasing value endpoint, and also, so here you can see there will be 2 values like there here. The difference is, there's a difference, but it becomes a straight line then. So we need 3 values minimum. Like here, see, 4, 5, and 2. 4 starts from here, goes to the peak, and again decreasing. So we need minimum 3 values so that we can calculate it. Okay. After that, if it's not true, what we will do? We will check for the. We will check it for the further values. Like now, we will check if the value after peak is decreasing or not. Okay. So it should be decreasing till the last index, and the first condition will be the same, that I plus 1 is less than nums of size. Here it's also same. Where here it is also same. Okay. While, and we will do I plus 1 less than I, because I will be this and I plus 1 will be this. So there should be that previous value should be bigger than the next value, so that every previous value will be bigger than the next value, so that it can be calculated that when after peak it should be in the decreasing manner till the end, so it will be called a valid mountain array. Okay, so it will be nums I. After that, if this is true, we will increase I plus plus. After that, in the end, when this for loop ends, we will oh, okay, we will return the current index value of I, and it okay, and it will be automatically uh, automatically we assumed as true. Okay, here we forget to use this semicolon. Compiler. Okay, let's see the code first. After that, we will because compiler comes every time when I use VS Code. So we have to fix it one on one. After that, we will check. Okay, I knows -1. Okay, I is equals to 0. It's written false. Okay, while I plus 1 is less than I plus 1 is less than nums I. Okay, I plus hidden I. Let's see. Undeclared identifier num. Okay, its name is array. Sorry. So we will name it. We can name it nums here. Okay, here should be nums again. See, when you write the code, you get error from many years. So fix that. We have to practice syntax also. What's wrong here? Error expected. Okay, there is a bracket missing here. Bracket is there. Bracket is there. Okay. 4 to 5 errors have come already. Undeclared identifier. Okay. Int I is equals to 1. Okay. Int I is equals to nums dot size. Okay. I think I am doing something wrong here. Let's see. Get pass in the first case. True. Expected false. Expected false. 0, 3, 2, 1. Expected was true. It is giving false. Where it expected was true. It gives me false. Okay. Expected was false. Giving true. And output was false. Expected true. And it's false. It's false. So I think I have done something wrong. Okay, so we will initialize it with 1. What we can do here is, okay, if I return true here, let's check if I return true. Will it be accepted? Because I haven't checked for it yesterday. It's not working. What am I doing wrong here? Let's see. Okay, so I will remove this. We have to return I, but how? Saying I. Okay. I should write this inside the for loop. Okay, we will return -1 in that case. It's passing two test cases now and failing in the second test case. Output is true, expected is false. I think there's a mistake in any condition. Let's see. Okay, I. What is getting wrong. Okay, so value. I think that while I plus 1 is less than num size and I is more than num size, okay, it's returning true. I check it. It's returning false in this case. So why not it's giving false in this and it is giving the right thing here. Okay, why it's giving, let's see, let's see the whole code. Hmm, it should be equals to because yeah, it's comparing and I plus 1 is less than m subsides and I plus 1 is more than m psi. Okay, okay, okay. It should not be like that where if we write this, the value will be compared and we have to let's see if it works now. Okay, it's now passing the first and second test case and returning false in the last test case. False, false, true. Now it's doing true, true, false. Okay, so I think what we can do. Okay, here I plus 1 is less than I. Okay, let's ask this. Should I ask this? Take a hint from Copilot. Let's open this chat. Uh, Brother, give me a small hint, not code, not anything. Why returning, why making true case? Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, brother, I am giving a strong hint, small strong hint, because it's making true case false because I am doing wrong comparisons. Where I'm doing wrong comparisons. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah. We were supposed to take the array elements, yeah, because the values inside the elements will be checked, not the index. Index. Okay, what we will do? Nums I. Here it will be nums I plus 1. Here it will be nums I. We did a small mistake, but it can ruin the whole code. So fix it now. If nums I and nums I here, and while nums I plus 1, here it will be nums I plus 1 again, and here it will again be nums I. Compile error. Okay. It should accept it. Okay, it's passing test case 1. But why? While if while return I. Now what's the problem here? Let's now. Okay, I'm comparing wrong thing. Okay. Hmm, what's wrong then? Okay. Inside peak, this peak if comes I minus 1. Yeah, it's same. Okay, what and num psi plus 1 is less than num psi. Index check I plus 1 is less than num sort size. Okay. Okay. Here it is, it should be inside this. We can fix it on our own, I think. But while okay, so I will first see it. Okay, here was an Okay, first this is from the first to the last index. While nums I plus one is less than nums dot size, okay, and nums I plus one is more than I. 5 is more than 3, okay. I plus plus if nums I is equals to nums size minus 1, or num size equals to, okay, so what I have done, first index, if climb up, okay, climb up, num size plus 1 is more than num size c, and climb down, num size plus 1 minus, sorry, less than num size, it is again right here. So peak check, I not equals to 0, and I not equals to num dot size minus 1. Peak check. So what is wrong here is that I think that there is the catch in this condition. I'm sorry. I not equals to 0. I not equals to 0. Num size not equals to 0. I think let me check. I think now there is only a problem in the if condition. Okay. Okay, my doubt is at the right position. Okay. I'm checking num size index value to array size. Okay, okay. So we have to remove this 1 minute. Peak start. Peak should not start at 0. Peak we should not end at. Okay. So what we can do? Peak get its peak. It's not. I should not be equals to num dot size minus 1. Okay, it will be like this. If I is equals to, okay, this, because we are returning false, not true. And to that, if I is 0, after this, come on man, come on, come on man, come on man, come on man, what the error? Okay, but there is major logical mistake. Okay, wrong comparison. I plus 1. Okay, yeah. We haven't, we are not comparing index value from num's array size. We are comparing only index I plus 1 if it's inside the array size, okay? And here we are comparing the values. Like here we're comparing if nums I plus 1 is more than nums I means the next value is more than the previous value, okay? Till the peak. And if when the peak is reached, after that if I is equals to num size minus 1 means if I is at the last index or I is at the 0th index, then it will return false, okay? After that, if it's true, if it's not true false, if it's false, it will return, it is an invalid mountain array. And if it's true, it will now complete the loop and check while nums I plus 1 less than size means nums I plus 1 index is in the array range and not going outside of that, and nums I plus 1 is less than nums I means the next value is less than the next value is less than the previous value till the end. Then it will return index I. Index I means it will return true. True in this case. And if even after this, like inside this, if this condition fails, it will return false after it also. Like here, what we can do, we can create our own test case. First, we will run it. Okay, it's giving compiler errors. Okay. Num psi plus 1. Why it's giving compiler error? Okay. Don't have to use nums here because it's comparing index values. Okay, now what's the problem? Output is true, expected is false. But let's see. Okay, there's small mistake left. Okay, 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 okay. This was the final condition that we were supposed to do. Okay, in the last, so we have to remove this from here, and I think should be here. I was thinking that, and we have to return I that is equals to nums dot size minus 1 means last next. Okay, there should be a semicolon. Okay, we should use it inside because it will give compiler because we have initialized the for loop inside the for loop. Okay, what if we return -1 here. I think this will be the same. So that compiler doesn't give any error. Okay, now it's accepted, man, finally. Oof. Now we will add our own test case. See, it will. So we'll start with 2, 3, 4, and 5. This will be the peak. After that, 4, 3, 2, and again 4 and 1. Okay. So after peak, we use the while condition to check that nums I plus 1 values is less than nums I or not. Means the nums I plus 1 values, like the next values are less than previous value or not. In this case, it will return false because it's not true. It's running, it's running, it's running. See, that it has given false. कितने दिन हो गए स्टार्ट किए DSA? Okay, but I am practicing English speaking also. I have started DSA a month ago. You can say around the 11th of May, and yeah, it's been, I think, today is 23rd of June, so I think around 1.5 months, you can say. A little, yeah, you can say it is around 1.5 months. Bro, brother, I am currently 12th pass out. I am not have I have not even joined college yet. So college will start in the month of August. So I'm practicing this DSA things on LeetCode and practicing problems, and also doing lectures, taking lectures outside of it after the streams and come to solve problems. What approach I'm okay, good. Why? What you're saying? Why you learning then? But I am learning this so that I can, this is necessary for programming fundamentals, so that whenever it's needed, so I can switch on to different type of languages and become flexible. How much you solved LeetCode? Brother, till now I have solved 15 problems in the last 15 days, and right now I have revisited 2 problems. Currently, I'm on this problem that I am currently revisiting. After that, do I will do 2 more problems, new problems today in the today's stream. Good, I regret now I can't get placement. Don't get sad, brother. You have time. You can achieve things, but just you have to put the actions. If you take action, the things will happen for sure. See, I don't have any exam or anything, or like I have no pressure on myself, but I am doing this as what you're saying. Which strategy you're using for DSA and you refer? But the strategy is that simple. You should pick a playlist or any course which is in which they are teaching DSA and stick to it. Language doesn't matter. When you start doing it and do it till the end, and after that, and between that, you should try to solve as much problems as possible and try to revisit the problem that you have solved before. So yeah, this is the thing. Like, see, from according to lecture, the teacher said that you should explore LeetCode. But what I have done, I have not watched any lecture after 16th of June. I am doing I am exploring a lot of problems after then, and yeah. So first, I what you should do, like if you what is my strategy? I first pick a topic like I am currently on array and go deep in that and solve as much as as much as possible problems of that, so that so that I get a strong command on that topic. Like you, I know, I think you have seen people that where what they do, they they just see the lecture and do the problems and like they think that they have understood the things. But when you come on the lead code and try a lot of problems, you see a patterns and different type of thing that that occurs. Like there are so many edge cases also. Whether I don't have any X account, but if you go into my YouTube channel, you will find that I have given my LinkedIn link, LinkedIn profile link. You can check it. You can find me there. And yeah, I am not only learning DSA, I am also doing web development in the side by side. So for now, I have kept DSA as the core. So see, when you go in my channel about section here, you can go to my LinkedIn by clicking this. Okay, my LinkedIn is not logged in the laptop, so you can check it from here. This is my GitHub account, and after that, I have given my lead code. And whether there is a request, if you can do it. If you are learning something from this stream, please do like the stream, and if you subscribe to the channel, it will help me improve and tell me that I am doing the things in the right way. So if you can do it. Okay, you have sent the request. I will accept it after the stream, or because currently I didn't have my mobile phone in my hand that I used to do that in which I have logged my account, LinkedIn account. Brother, what's your name? What's your real name, brother? Good luck, but don't expect result. Just do what you keep doing and improving. Yes, brother, I am. Okay, your name is Steph. Okay. I can speak Hindi, but I am not doing it because when you do these things, learning public and other things, it helps also in improving your communication skills and explanation skills in the public. That so after when you do it a lot of times, when you go to give an interview after that, what improvement you will see that when the interview will ask you a question, you can explain them in a easy way, and it increases the chance of it. Okay, what you say is no worries. Yeah, I thought that. Okay, brother. Any more questions, brother, or anything that you want to ask to me? I am currently seeing in my mobile phone because here the comments. Here I solve lead code and see the comments in mobile phone so that I can solve this problem simultaneously and see the comments also. Okay, what you're saying, keep doing what you are doing because no matter how much you are good, we need practice. Yes, brother, practice. See, my strategies nowadays, what I am doing. I am revisiting problems more than solving new problems. Like I have kept the ratio like if I have done one new problem, I will have been visited two problems at least. You can see I have done 47 submissions till now. And if I go inside my profile and see. Okay, you can see the total number of times I have revisited. In total, I have solved 15 problems till now, but it's saying if we calculate this all, I have solved 27 problems. Means I have revisited 12 more problems till now. And yeah, with the time, I will keep optimizing the codes also because I have solved some problems that was not supposed to, that was not to solve with the most optimized approach. But after that, when I will have learned the topics. I will come back to the problems and do the problems as well in the with the most optimized approach. So yeah, this is my strategy. And I'm not doing hurry. Like I'm not doing not taking that thing that there should be 10 problems solved in a day or in on a live stream. You have to understand the things and the core. So, do you have any other questions or anything that you want to ask, or should I continue teaching this, like explaining these things? If you are building any real project, just let me know. I want to build something real production level, known, no Python and computer vision and data analysis. Okay. Right now I am in the development thing. I am learning CSS right now. But yeah, I have some projects in my mind that I have kept in my mind and doing uh, preparing the ideas for it, and I have kept it private for now. And what I will be doing, I will not left that project even after if I left even after the college is finished or I am doing any job or thing, because that project will be a project that I will be working on for a long term. Even if something gets wrong or even if I not get a job or anything, that like see, I am even not doing this DSA things to get a job, because you can get a job easily, but why did this need why you do these type of things? So these type of things helps improve your problem solving skills. And yeah, and yeah, why I'm also doing learning public, because it is helping me to improve my English communication. If we go and check my very first live stream on the YouTube, you will see that I was getting stuck in explaining things, and yeah, it was very bad. In the past 15 days, I have done these all streams till the stream of yesterday, that was day 10, and today is day 11. So yeah, the things it's like that. And right now, I know I'm not putting my 100% in this, but with time it will improve. Like if I was following only lectures and doing problems, I will be on this number of problems. I will have solved this number of problems, but but the depth will be not that same like this. I think if I have followed lectures, I will be on pointers or some more topics that are next to them. But see, that is another thing, and doing problems, just taking the problems and feeling that I have solved it, the difference is big. Okay, you are saying something. Okay, sorry. Explain a DSA problem. I have exams, so I'm doing good luck with the stream. Okay, you don't have to say sorry, brother. You have come, so I'm doing learning public, so I will have to give answer to you because you are the viewer, and I'm doing learning in public, and helping each other is the thing that we should do. Okay, sorry, explain your DSA problem. I have exam. So, brother, will you come again when I will be live? So we will meet again. Okay. Bye bye, brother. Bye bye. Bye, Seth. Okay, now what we'll do? Brother, are you still there? I forgot to ask you a question. Are you in college right now or what? What you're seeing after 25th? Okay, the hello, Code 99 brother. I seen that you come in the yesterday stream, but I wasn't able to reply you at that time because my comment section was not open then. Welcome to the stream, brother. Okay, your call has been almost finished. And what level? Okay, so you also did the DSA. Like how much time you are doing DSA? From how much time? Stat and CS. What does that mean? Okay, I think you are saying statics and computer science subjects. Okay, so you are learning DSA, right? Right? You are learning DSA. Okay, and BSc. So you have learned. I think you have learned machine learning, and you said that you have learned Python. Okay, but brother, what are you? What you have? Okay, okay. So I'm right. And you have also learned about. You are also learning data analytics, right? So if I say that you are preparing for data analyst or other type of roles, am I right? Just I think you have to put time. You doesn't have strong fundamentals, but okay, Google Analytics main focus and DSA for placement. Okay, so you want to become you are targeting for data analyst, right? So it's Abhi Rajput. Where I have to search it, brother? Should I search it here? Lead code, okay. Lead code, you are saying. I am getting scared a little bit. Okay, Abhi 99 Rajput. Go to user section, okay. So this is the profile. Let's see. Okay, oh my God. Whether you are okay, let's see. Your rank is very high, brother. And okay, Saif, brother, bye. Bye, Saif. Abhi Rajput. Going now, see. Okay, brother, okay. Bye bye. So, Abhi, this is a profile, and you are in top 3% on lead code in the contest. Okay, currently my target is this, like you, I want to achieve. Okay, so you are doing lead code from 2024. Okay, and you are active from the last year. I can see. But your profile is very nice. Okay, you started last year. I don't know what reaction I can give, I should give. I don't have words to say for that, but your profile is very hardcore. Like you did these things in just 1 year. That is very impressive. This is also giving motivation to reach this level till the end of maybe December or maybe till the end of first sem. Okay. Brother, I started last year. You're asking from me, brother, I'm not even joined college now. Currently, I am 12th pass out and I will join college in the month of August. Okay, my college will start in August. I am doing live streams from the past 10, you can say 15 days. I have done 10 live streams in the, okay, which college? That college will is the Chandigarh University. You can say it is. I will do. I will take an online degree from there because then I will have time to do other things also, like doing live stream for all of you, and will have time to do other things like these things also. But there is a request if you can do. If you can subscribe to the channel, it will help me. It will motivate me to do create more videos and other things. If you can subscribe to the channel, it will be a great help for me. Apart from DSA, are you doing anything else like dev? Yeah, I'm doing dev aside of this, but I'm doing it a little because when I go into dev, I become a little too focused on DSA, but I have chosen DSA as my core and web dev as my, you can say, secondary thing, secondary skills, you can say. Brother, have you subscribed to the channel or have you any more questions you can ask? If you subscribe to the channel, we will be connected, and whenever we will live again, you will get the notification and we can join in again and we can talk like this and see when the channel will get bigger. We can help each other grow together like this. It will be a great help that if you subscribe to the channel. Okay, brother. Thanks for subscribing. So I forgot to ask what is your name, brother? Okay, I will follow you. I will keep the track of how many problems you have solved. I will check it every day. Okay, your name is Abhishek. Okay. So are you from Uttar Pradesh? And what are you learning aside of DSA, brother? You have mentioned in your profile that you are. Yes, I'm also from Uttar Pradesh. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning, LLMs and Flask. Brother, I am from Lucknow. You know Lucknow? You're in Lucknow. You live where? I am in Lucknow, brother. I live in Lucknow. Where do you live? I live in Aligarh. Okay. Nice. Nice, nice. So, so can you tell me one thing that we in your profile I can see that you get below the submission section you get these type of batches. How these batches can be How can I unlock these batches? Can you tell me? Should I have to complete the whole month? I have to solve a problem every day to get it, or what? Like, how can I get this batch, or what is this? If you can tell. How you got these batches? Is it because this monthly batch? Okay, what you are saying? This is monthly batch. If you solve daily problem for a month, you will also get it. Okay. Yeah, I was thinking about that. So I will get it in the next month, I think. But are you learning anything else beside DSA? Are you learning something else other than DSA? And okay, you are in the you are in the second year or what? Like you said, I started last year. Uh, Go to problem section top. What you're saying? Go to problem section on top. It is the daily question of today. Okay, you are saying about that thing. Okay. So, but that thing is not related to these things, right? We just have to, even if I revisit the problems, it will be counted as, it will be marked at uh, it will be marked as a streak, and I will get the best, right? I will not only revisit the problem for getting a batch, but yeah, see, it will keep the motivation high, and I will get the batch. Yeah. So thanks for telling me that, Abhishek. Currently learning AI agents and continuing to open source AI agents. Okay. So are you learning any type of thing like what I can say? You are in deep learning. Okay. So are you also learning anything like learning about automation or other type of things like workflow automation or integration of other things, and maintaining streak will not give you a batch. Okay. So you are in second year, right? Yeah, yeah. Automation is done using AI. Because I was in that thing when I got passed out from the 10th class. I was doing those things back then, but now I'm focusing on these things because these things seems more interesting. That was also good, and yeah, I will also use automation in the future in my projects that I have kept private now for now. Those projects will be continued even after college, or even if I didn't get a job or anything, I will continue to contribute in that project. And yeah, there will automation be also used in that. You can say workflow automation and other type of agentic things like chatbots, or you can say email automation or other things. Third year, okay, but no, that is not bad. But I am also new, so that so I think my opinion can also be a little wrong. But as far as I have seen, your profile is very hardcore. And yeah, you can check my LinkedIn also from here. If you go to my channel and get in the about section, you will find my LinkedIn and GitHub and also my LeetCode profile. If you want to go and see my profile and other things, you can check it. So you have subscribed, so after the so you will get the notification while I will be live again. So make sure to come again, brother, and we will have a talk or we'll do some things like this. It will be fun. But again, thanks for subscribing. It boosts my motivation to do these things. I will keep continuing doing this thing. Any other thing that you want to say or like? Okay, brother. Bye bye. Bye, Abhishek. So okay, now what we will do? We will focus on our problem that we have revisited and what I was doing. I was doing the dry run of it and explaining these things. So we were doing this for 5 index. Okay. So first, what we will do? We will create a total sum. Inside that, we will calculate the sum of the all the elements in the array, and in this case, it will be equals to 28. After that, we will initialize the left sum like left sum. You can say the left side of leftmost value sum with 0. After that, what we will do? We will run a for loop which goes from the first index to the very last index, and inside this, what we will do? We will initialize that sum with we will calculate the right sum, and right sum will be equals to total sum, that is 28, minus left sum and minus index I value, like current index I value, like if I is on this first iteration, it will be on this 0th index, and we will subtract the index value of 0th index of I from total sum and left sum, and then it will give the right sum. Okay. If left sum will not be equals to right sum, like in this case, if I is on first iterations, for example, it will be on 1, and when we will subtract total sum, we will calculate the right sum, we will subtract left sum and nums I index value from that. So left sum is 0 now, and left sum is 0 in the starting, and nums I index value is 1. So total it will be equals to 27. Okay, in the starting, and 27, and after that we will check the condition if 27 is equals to 0, but this is not equals to 0. So if this is not equals to 0, we will increase the left sum till left sum comes to a value that when we will recheck it, it will be equals to right sum, and it will return I. If in case if it's not equals to I and we didn't get a pivot index, we will return the value as -1. Okay, means we haven't found the pivot index. Like in this case, you can see 1 and 3 are not equal, left side and right side are not equal, so we will return -1. And when we will when right sum will be equals to left sum, like in this case, when left sum will be equals to this 11, and we will be on the third index, that is 6th, and right sum will have been again calculated, like you can say left sum is 11, and right, and we are on currently on this index, so 11 plus 6 will be equals to 17, and when we will recalculate the right sum, it will be equals to 28 minus 17, and it will come to 11 after that. And after that, when we will check if left sum is equals to right sum, then it will return the pivot index. That will be the current index of I on its fourth iteration, that will be equals to 1. Sorry, that will be equals to 3. You can see 3 is in the output, and here it is -1, and here it is 0. We don't have to return the values, we have to return the current index value that we are on, after getting the right sum and net sum is equals to when both will be the same. So I will submit it now, and before submitting it, I will tell you the time complexity of this. So the time complexity of this will be equals to what? It will be equals to big of n, because we haven't used any type of sorting or any other thing, and we have only used single for loops, not any type of nested loops. So that now I will submit it, and it will be equals to big of n. The time complexity of this will be equals to nums of big of n, and the runtime is 100% it beats, and memory it beats 79.53%. Okay, so now what we will do, we have till now revisited, now we for now we have revisited two problems. Now we will jump onto a new problem, that is that was what? That was uh, monotonic array. Okay, we will solve this new problem. We will first try to solve it our own and understand it. If we will be unable to solve it by own, we will take hints, and even after that, why it's not, I think the name of was something different. Let's ask it. Okay, let's open a new tab. Monotonic array. Let's check it here. If I type mono, and will it show or not? Okay, I think the problems. I will go in the problems from where it was. Okay, first I was to go here and filter the topics, and in the topics there should be array related to array, and okay, status level was okay, difficulty level was easy of that problem. So let's see what was the name of it. Till why not search it directly when I have typed filter? Its name is not monotonic array. Its name is, what was the name of it, man? What was the name of it? Okay, Abhishek was talking about this, I think. Let me bring my phone. Inside that I have taken a screenshot of the problems that I have to solve. Okay. Here it is the problem. See, its name is monotonic array. I don't know why it was not showing when I was searching it. LeetCode. What I cannot say anything about this LeetCode. The LeetCode behaves so much weird many times. So now we will come. Okay, now let's see the problem. So this is monotonic array problem. An array is monotonic if it is either monotone increasing or monotone decreasing. And array is monotone increasing if for all I is less than equals to j nums I. Okay, I will have to understand it by the help of LeetCode, because there are some conditions given here and I don't know how to read these conditions. Okay, let's try. I is less than equals to j. Okay, I think we will have to create two variables that will traverse the array, and nums I value is less than equals to nums j value. So I think nums j will be I plus 1. Sorry, nums j will be the next values, and I think we will have to create nested loops in this. If we see Okay. Give an array nums is monotone decreasing if for all I is let's given an integer array num return true if the given array is monotonic or false otherwise. Okay, we have to return true or false. So okay, it is boolean type problem. Okay, I can see here. I think when a value paired two times in an array like this, we have to return true. And if it's false like this, the values are not same, it will return false. And I think the order of the values should be like this, like even if it's if two have came twice, it should be in a continuous manner, not like if two has come appeared first here and one sorry two has appeared here and one has appeared here, then I think it will not be a monotonic array. So I think we can use the conditions that we used in the valid mountain array. I think what what we can do is num psi num state. So I think we will have to create two variables. So an array nums is monotone increasing with for all. So what we will do first? First we will create a integer. We will start it from 0. Okay. Initialize it with 0 and we will create another variable j is equals to I plus 1. Okay, what after that? Mm, okay, this is true. So we have to check. Okay, we have to write. I think first we'll write I. Okay, we can initialize it here. Not we can initialize j also inside the for loops. So int I will be 0. I will be less than num. Okay, the name is nums dot size and I plus plus. What after that? After that, if okay. For I is equals to 0, this will traverse the whole array from starting to the end. After that, I think we will have to create another for each loop inside this. We will start integer j is equals to I plus 1 and I is less than, okay, j is less than num dot size and I j plus plus. Those interactions was great, which I did. I enjoyed those interactions. So, okay, this was the ID. So let's close the tabs. Okay, this problem is solved. Have we submitted that problem? Let's see. Okay. We did submitted. Okay, we didn't submitted that valid mountain problem. So first I will submit it so that it will be counted as the revisited. Okay, submission pending. Wrong answer. Passed 53 out of 50 test cases. What is wrong here, man? See, the part is passing test cases. Every time I do these things, LeetCode adds its own test cases. I don't know why. When I did this, I wrote this code yesterday. It got sorry. When I wrote this code on the day 9 stream, it got accepted. Let's ask it from Copilot. No. Okay. Okay, there is a logical glitch. Okay. Yeah, I was thinking about that. We can also initialize I with 0 here. Okay, integer I will be 0 here because the data type is integer. Let's see. Okay, it is the for declaration. What is saying? Expected member name or this after declaration return -1. Let's see. No. Okay, I have written. Okay. Yeah, I was thinking that this should be not here because it's checking Boolean values, but wasn't sure then. Compile error. What it's saying? Okay, expected after class. Should I remove it? Okay, now the test cases are accepted. All the test cases are accepted again. So there was not any for loop also needed, but the time complexity of this will be same as before because there are while loops used. We try to submit it again. It will be submitted. It should be submitted and accepted. Okay, it's accepted. I think see that this is not the most optimized code for it, but we will do it with the most optimized code after when we have learned the topics that are used in the optimized approach. Like here you can see, it is related to array, but we will keep it like it's for now. Now we will jump back to the problem that we were trying to solve. Okay. So before that, I think I should finish this. I forgot to eat it. In between talking with the subscribe viewers. Okay, it's 10:12 happening right now. So I will have to do this fast or let's see. Mm, if okay, first we will check if what mm, what if we check if what if we check if what we can write if num I not equals to num j, then what we will do, we will do the I plus plus, and after that we will check else if we will check else if what okay else if nums I is equals to nums j, but this will give wrong I think because the condition should not be written like this I plus plus, but we have to return true. Now I think the time has come to ask from the copilot. First we will fix this. Okay, now start size. Copy the code and paste it in Copilot. Brother, I am solving a new problem named monotonic array. Give me the hints or approach to solve it, and and don't tell me, and don't sorry, and don't give me the code for it, or any other thing. Okay, monotonic idea is simple. Okay, monotonic is an array which is pure increasing and which is pure increasing or pure decreasing. Equal elements are also allowed. If we say it here, it is in pure increasing order, and duplicates are also allowed. And here it is in a decreasing manner. Okay. I think I'm getting the solution in my head that if I remove it, and I think we will be using those type of while loops, and maybe even this for loop is not needed. We can do it in big of n times complexity. Okay, let's check array size is less than 2. If array size less than 2, yeah. So first we will remove these things. First we have to check if uh, okay, its name is nums dot size. If it's less than 2, we will return true in this case because there is no other value that we can compare to, and it will be the true case. After that, we will add it in this test cases also. Okay, it will be added. I think it is added. Now what we will do? What it's saying? It is saying that okay, I have to check that if okay, I have to use a flag increasing is true and decreasing is true. Traverse array. Okay. See, in the end, we have to do if it's increasing or decreasing. It is true, yeah. It is. It will be true. I think we will have to use while condition here. What we can write inside this that while no decide direction. Okay. You mean Variable by flags. Okay. Bool increasing true, bool increasing true. Where after that array, when we will traverse the array, if okay, if this is true, decreasing will be equals to false. If this is true, increasing will be false. If equal, if both equal, then we will have to not change it. And in the end, you will check if increasing is true or decreasing is true. Array is monotonic. Okay. So it is saying that we should create two Boolean values here, I think. Okay, we will create it here. Bool, bool what? Bool decreasing. We will initialize with it with true and bool increasing. Sorry, increasing and decreasing. Okay, so that will be easier. Decreasing is equals to true. Then what? After that, what we will do? We will what it's saying. Put into that that this is if condition if what if nums I index value is less than nums I minus plus 1. If nums I in the whole array, okay, and if nums I value is less than nums I plus 1, decreasing false, decreasing false, nums I plus 1 will be the next value, and nums I will be the current value. Means the value previous than the that have come before the I plus 1 value. Okay, nums I plus 1. If nums I, then what we have to do? We have to use decreasing false. We have to do false. Okay, then decreasing will be false. Okay, decreasing will be false. Then nums I is less than nums I plus 1. Means if this is less than this, yeah, decreasing will be false because it will be bigger than the previous value. Okay, is right. And in the else if case, what we will write? We will write if nums I is more than nums I plus 1. What we will have to do? We will have to make increasing false, and after that, what is saying? It's saying if nums I is equals to I plus 1. Okay. Else if nums I is equals to nums I, okay, sorry, I plus 1. What we will have to do? We will have to, I think, return true. Okay. Else if nums I is equals to nums I plus 1, what we have to do? Okay, this is not needed. What it's saying, we have to check in the end that if increasing is true or decreasing is true. Else if increasing equals to true, decreasing is equals to true, what we will have to do, we will have to, if this is true, we have to then we will have to return true, I think, or what? Maybe return I index. Let's see. It will not work right now, right? Undeclared identifier. Okay. So here we will start I is equals to 0. It will not work again. I think we will have to use for loop. So we will already use bool. I think we should use it here. Int I is equals to 0. Decreasing. D-C-R-E-A-S-I-N-G. Okay. Here it is should be increasing. Increasing, decreasing. False, true, true, false. Whew. Okay, expected what? Non-byte function. Okay. In this case, it will return. I think it will return I, and in this case, it will return. Okay, and the format will be like this. We have used an extra curly braces here. Let's see. The class is closed here. The function is closed here. The else if loop is closed here, then why have we used these two things? We return -1 here. Expected what? Expected this. Let's see, let's see. Okay, it's subtracted in 4 test cases and passing this case where values are 1, 3, 2. Okay, it's giving true. 1, 3, 2, it is not decreasing or increasing. Okay, strictly decreasing or increasing is failing in that test case. So I think I'm close to the solution now. Let's ask from the Copilot or city biome first. We have to output true, but expected was false. Okay. I think in the else case we have to return -1. If we do it, let me see, it will be true. It is giving true for all the true cases, but not giving false. Okay. What if I write here an else case, then this we will return -1. 1 minute. Yeah. Small mistakes and big results. Big error in the result. Big compile error. Expected expression else. What man? I was right man. Okay, I haven't closed it here and used another curly braces. Let's see, let's see. Now what's the matter? No. Okay, I have made the base for monotonic array, but my code is incomplete and is returning wrong answer. Okay, okay. We have to return true or false, not the index value. In those cases, it index values was accepted, not in this. So return true and return false. Okay, fixed. I think that